Maspala wa Tshwane udlabhatise tigidzi temarandi ngekungalandzeli tindlela letingito nakuniketwa tinkontileka tekucashwa kwetisebenti letingetulu kwemakhulu lasihlanu ngemnyaka wa 2019. Tisebenti tisola hulumende ngekunganaki njengoba tigidzi tasetjentiswa imisebenti lengamange yabakhona. Lokhu kuvetwe nguCedric lobekasebenta kuMaspala ngaphambilini.
You can't have a situation whereby you have employees, over 500 of them, that they don't have a job description, they are sitting under the tree, and when you try to engage the management, they're ignoring their consent. I've went even to parliament to get intervention, and there was no intervention that was granted. As a result, millions of taxpayers' money were squandered.
Tisebenti taphambilini tisola lo Maspala ngekwephula sigajana sa section 37C wemibandzela yemtsetfo wekucashwa wa 75 of 1997.
Even went as far as giving them an opportunity to say, guys, if you don't want us here, give us a notice of a month. But they didn't take that opportunity.
Lo Maspala uyavuma kutsi tindlela tekucasha azange tilandzelwe ngendlela lefanele.
Well, I think there was an oversight on the part of our HR officials. Ordinarily, we were supposed to give the contract workers a month's notice to inform them that we are not going to renew their contracts. However, what happened was that they were only issued with a notice on the month